My review is really late, but this is my review on the heavy duty diesel 12-wheel semi-electric RC truck full cargo trailer 136 scale RTR ready to run rechargeable. And this is what it looks like. It is remote control, and it comes with batteries. It's rechargeable, which I already said that. It's, let's see, where did I say? It is it weighs 2.4 pounds. It's for 3 years and up. It's 21.2 by 10.2 by 3.7 inches. The reason I have not opened it yet is because I'm actually giving it to somebody for their birthday. That person is turning 29. So, as you can see, this is actually a good gift for just about anybody. Which, my daughter has been begging for it. So it can be a great gift for a guy or a girl. You know, just whoever. And I will post a link underneath this video where you can get yours at. It's actually very affordable for how big it is. Alright, thanks for watching.